Thanks for joining us today for our math lesson. Can everyone say hello?
Hello!
Hello. Let's begin with our meditation. That's right. 2 fingers to find our heart center. Left hand in our lap and close your eyes. Feel for boom boom in your heart center and move your right hand into your lap. Let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. And let's begin. In this lesson, we're going to keep practicing multiplying 2-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. But this time we're going to use some larger numbers and we're going to have to carry over some of our answers. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at some warm-up facts. We'll look at our PowerPoint to see how we can solve some of these larger problems. And then we'll do a little bit of a worksheet together. So let's do our math facts warm-up. So we're going to think about a few of our math facts that we need to practice. So let's start with our 5s. No, let's start with our 6s. I think we know our 5s. Let's do 6 times 5. Raise your hand when you know 6 times 5. We can count by 5s. We can think of our multiplication tables. 1, 2, 3. 20. You got it. 6 times 6. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay, friends, 6 times 6. 1, 2, 3. 30. Very nice. We could think 6 plus 30 is 36. 6 times 7. Raise your hand. Put it in your desk. Put it in your desk. You're smart. You don't need to look at that book. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 42. 6 times 8. You could add 6 to 42. You could think about your times tables. 1, 2, 3. 48! You got it, friends. 48. Very nice. Okay, here we go. 7 times 5. Raise your hand when you have an idea. 1, 2, 3. 35. Good work, friends. 35. 7 times 6. 42. Is 7 times 6 the same as 6 times 7?
Yes.
Everybody should have their hand up. What's our answer? 42. Okay. What do you think is next?
7 times 7.
7 times 7. You can add 7 to 42 or think about your times tables, but raise your hand when you have an answer. Keep it secret. Let's wait for a few more friends. 1, 2, 3.
49.
49. Good job.
49.
49. Yeah, 7 times 8. 7 times 8. It's a tricky one. 7 times 8. Think about it in your mind. You can add 7 to 49, or you can try to think about your times tables. 7 times 8. Okay. We'll wait for a few more friends to think about it. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
56.
Yes, it is 56. 56, great job. Okay, let's just do some problems with 8s. 8 times 5. 8 times 5. Is it going to end in a 6?
No.
Is there going to be a 4 in the ones place?
No.
Nope, we only have a 0 or a 5 in our ones place. 1, 2, 3.
40.
Yeah, we see a little pattern here. Very good, friends. 8 times 6.
6.
Is that the same as 6 times 8?
Yeah.
Everybody should have their hand up. We've already got 6 times 8. 8 times 6
48.
is the same thing as 6 times 8, right?
48.
Yeah, what's our answer?
48.
48. Okay, 8 times 7.
56.
Is that the same as 7 times 8? Yeah, good job. Everybody should know that one. What's 8 times 7?
56.
56. Okay, 8 times 8.
72.
8 times 8. Not 72. That's 8 times 9. 8 times 8. You can add 8 to 56. You can try to think about your times tables. Our friends are working hard.
64.
Yep. When you've got an answer, raise your hand. Okay, 1, 2, 3. What do you think?
64.
It's 64. Good job. 64. Very nice work, friends. Let's just do a few quick problems with 9s. Are 9s easy? Yeah, we love 9s. We've got our finger trick. We're so fast on 9s. 9, 10, and 11s are easy for us. What about times 0? Is that easy? So easy. What about times 1? So easy. Okay. So easy. We got those. And 5s. Good. Okay, let's practice with some 9s. We got our finger trick, so let's practice with some 9s. What's 9 times 4? Raise your hand when you know. 9 times 4. What's 9 times 4? 36 as we count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 36. Good. Okay, 9 times 7. Check it out on your fingers.
Equals 62.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 63. Very nice. 9 times 5. Check it out on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's 9 times 5? You got it. 9 times 8. 9 times 8. Check it out on your fingers. Got it?
I love you.
Yeah.
No, I did.
Okay. 9 times 8. What's 9 times 8? 72. Great work, my friends. Those are easy for us. So we're going to move on to our PowerPoint and see how we multiply some larger numbers and we have to carry our answers over. Today we're going to talk about multiplying 2-digit numbers again, but this time we have to think about using carrying. Carrying. We've used carrying before in addition. It's when our answer is too big to fit into our place values. So when that happens, we have to move it up to the top and add it in with the rest of our answers. So I think we know our place value pretty well. Let's just go quickly. 1's place. What's next? What's next? Great job, friends. We know our place value so well. Well, a little bit before our millions, but that's cool. Yeah, today we're going to talk about our 1's place, our 10's place, and our 100's place. Okay, so we practiced yesterday how to do our problems like this. Where do we start? Yeah, for 61 times 7, where do we start? In our 10's place? No, with our 1's place and our 7 times 1. So what's 7 times 1? That's so easy. 7 times 1 is 7. Good. So we've got our 1's place. Then we need to do 6 times 7. It's what?
42.
42. Is it okay to just write our 42 down here?
47.
Yeah. It's okay to write our 42 down here because this is the last thing we multiply. So we put our 7 times 6 and then 42. What's our whole answer?
427.
Yeah, our whole answer right down here is 427. We've got our 1's, our 10's, and our 100's place. Okay? So let's think about this problem. What's this problem? 25 times 3. It's okay, guys. Just take a look up here. It's cool. Don't worry about the desks. So first thing we're going to do, our 1's place, right? 3 times 5. What's 3 times 5? 15. 3 times 5. 15. Okay, it's 15. What should we do?
1 over 2 and 5 over.
Good job, friends. You've got some ideas of what to do. This is not our last number to multiply, so we need to put our 5 down at the bottom.
And 1 on top.
Yeah, we can't write it like this, can we? No, we need to put our 1 up there at the top. So we need to put our 1 up there at the top, just like we did for addition when we have numbers here that are too big. So we've got that taken care of. What do we do next? Are we finished?
No.
What do we have to do?
3 times 2. 3 times 3.
Yeah. Oh, good question. Do we do 3 times 2 or 3 times 3?
3 times 3.
We're still gonna do 3 times 2. And what is this?
Add together.
What's this?
Add 1.
Plus. So we're gonna think 3 times 2, which is what?
6.
6. And then we're gonna add our 1.
7.
Very good, friends.
75.
It's going to be 75. Yeah, we don't want to add our number to this before we multiply. We need to multiply first and then add at the very end. Okay, so our whole answer is 75. Let's try this. 25 times 6. We start in our ones place. 6 times 5 equals 30. Our monkey man knows. Can we just write 30 down at the bottom here? No.
And 3 on the top up.
Yeah, we can't write 30 like that. We have to put our 3 up top, and we're going to add it at the very, very end. So what's 6 times 2? Equals 12 plus 3? 15. Good job, my friends. So we think 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3 is 15.
150.
Our whole answer is 150. Okay, 14 times 6. Where do we start? That's right, friends. We start with 4 times 6 or 6 times 4. We always start here in our ones place. Yeah, 24. Is that cool to write it like that? No, we can't do that. Yeah, we've got to put our 2 on the top of this 1. We know we're going to add, but what do we do first?
6 times 1 equals 6.
Yep, first we do 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8.
84.
And you are right, friends, that gives us 84 as our whole answer. What about 15 times 7?
35.
Good, we start here. 7 times 5 or 5 times 7. And what does that equal?
35 on the
Just like this, we've got our answer to be 35. We know we can't write our 3 down here. It has to go up top with a little plus sign.
equals 100.
So next we think of our 10. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 3 more is 10.
105.
So we can put that down at the bottom because this is our last number to multiply. We don't have anything else here to keep working on. So it's okay to put our 10 down here at the bottom. And our whole answer is 105. Okay, 25 times 8. Where should we start?
Equals 40.
We need to start with 8 times 5 in our ones place.
5 and 4 on top 2.
Yep, that's right. So we first think about 8 times 5.
5.
We know it's 40. We also know we can't just write our 4 down at the bottom. It's got to go up top, the little plus sign.
8.
So we've got our ones. Yeah, next we think about 8 times 2. What's 8 times 2? 16 plus 4 is 20. Is it okay to write our 20 down at the bottom? Why? Yeah, we don't have any other numbers here that we need to keep multiplying. So when that happens, it's okay to put our answer all the way down here at the bottom. We can fill out all our place values. And our whole answer is 200.
No, 300.
Nope, 200. You got it. Okay, first, where do we start? 8 times 2?
No. 8 times. 8 times.
Yeah, we need to start with 8 times 4. Think about what 8 times 4 is in your mind. What's 8 times 4?
32. 32.
Prow's right, it's 32.
2.
Is it cool if I just write 32 down here? No.
1 top and 2 bottom.
Very good, friends. We need to put our 3 up at the top,
And 2.
2 at the bottom. What do we do next? Are we finished?
No. And 8 times 2.
Then we do 8 times 2. We know that's 16. So 8 times 2 is 16 plus 3 more.
Equal to 19.
19.
192.
That's right. Can I just write my 19 down here for 8 times 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can because why?
No.
Yeah, we don't have any more numbers down there. So our whole answer, 192. Okay, last one. 23 times 8. Where do we start?
1 place.
In our ones place. We always, always, always start in our ones place. 8 times 3. Think about
24.
24. There we go. 24. Can I just write 24 here?
No.
No.
8 and 2 up
Top. Yeah, I've still got more things to multiply, so I can't just write 24 on the bottom. For 8 times 3, I've got to put my 4 down here and my 2 up top. Should I add these together first?
No.
No. We do this very, very, very last. So next we need to do our tens place. 8 times 2. We know that one. What is it?
16.
Plus 2 more?
16.
16. 8 times 2 is 16. And then plus 2 more.
18.
18. That's right. So 18. Now are we ready to write it on the bottom?
Yes.
Yeah, why? Why don't we need to put more numbers up here?
No number.
Yeah, we're finished multiplying. We're done. We don't have anything else to do, so we can put our 18 down at the bottom. And what's our whole answer?
184.
184. Very nice job, friends. So we're going to do a little bit of a stretch break, and we'll do some practice on our board with what we just learned. So everybody stand up. So put your arms in a T. And touch your toes. Come up halfway. Swing your monkey arms. Very nice. Pretend they're so heavy. Be careful of your neighbor. Good. Stand up nice and tall. Let's do it again. Stretch your arms in a D. Stretch them up high. Stretch your fingers. And touch your toes. Swing your monkey arms. Pretend they're very heavy. Be careful of your neighbors. Don't hit them. Stand up nice and tall. Let's do 5 claps. Let's try that again, friends. 5 claps. Great work. 3 claps. Just 3. 2 claps. Make sure you're counting. 4 claps. Let's try that again. Get your hands ready. Get your hands ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. Listen. 2 claps. Clap for the answer to 2 times 3. So first think about 2 times 3. What's 2 times 3? 6. Let's clap 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Let's clap for the answer to 2 times 4. What's 2 times 4? 8. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No 9. That's right. Last one we're going to do, what's the answer to 5 times 2? 10. Ready? Hold on, let's all together. Here we go. Hot, get ready. Here we go. Hold on, friends, wait. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, that's a lot of clapping. Okay. Do 3 little jumps. Do 3 little spins. Take 3 little steps. Take 3 big steps. Do 3 big jumps. And 3 big spins. Ooh, okay, we're nice and dizzy. Everybody can take a seat. Okay. We're going to practice a few problems, just like we learned how to do in our PowerPoint. So when our numbers start getting bigger, we have to carry our answers over for our place values. So we're going to have a little practice. I'm going to ask for some friends to help me, and if you can help me at the board, you get a sticker. So our first one we're going to do is 15 times 4. Very nice. We start. Great job, friends. We start in our ones place here. 5 times 4, or 4 times 5 is what? 20. Like this? No, I can't do that. Yep. And am I going to subtract? I'm going to add or plus. So it's very helpful if we put a little plus there so that we can remember that we are going to add.
And 4 times 1 4.
Good. 4 times 1 is 4.
And 4 times 2 is what? 6.
6. Good job, friends. Very nice work. Okay, who wants to come help me out?
Me.
You want to help? You can do it. Come on. We're going to do 28 times 3. Do you want to use blue or a new color? Blue? Okay. Okay, where do we start?
8 times 3 or 3 times 8.
Yeah, we start at 8 times 3 or 3 times 8. It's the same answer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. She's thinking hard. Got an idea? All right, nice and big for us. Very good. Hey, what's 8 times 3?
8 times 3 equals 24.
You got it, friend, 24. And she knows we can't just write 24 down at the bottom. We've got to put our 4 in the ones place and put our plus 2 at the top. What's next?
2 times 3.
2 times 3 or 3
Equals
times 2
6.
equals 6.
8.
Plus 2 more is 8. What's our whole answer?
Equals 84.
Very nice. You can get yourself a sticker. Stickers up there. 44 times 5. Okay. Down. Come on up. 44 times 5. Do you want to use blue or a new one?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. What do we do first? Where do we start first?
Equals 20.
Good. She's starting in our ones place. 5 times 4 is 20. We know we can't just write 20 on the bottom. We've got our 2 at the top.
22.
Very nice. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 2. We can put our 22 down at the bottom because we don't have anything else to multiply. 220. Go get a sticker. That's okay. You can put a plus. If you don't put a plus, try to remember that a plus goes there. But it's helpful for us to put a plus right now. Okay, Pang Pang, come on up. You're going to do 83 times 6. You want blue or a new color? Blue, here you go. What do we do first?
3 times 6.
Very nice. First we do 3 times 6. We always, always, always start in our ones place. If we're doing addition, subtraction, or multiplication, we always, always, always start here in our ones place. Then we go to our tens place. If we have a hundreds place, we go to a hundreds place after that. Our friend here is thinking hard about 83 times 6. He's Got a tricky one.
18.
18. All right. Prow's helping you out. What's 6 times 3? 18. Plus 1. Very good. Okay, now what do we do next? 6. 6 times 8. Another tricky one. 6 times 8. Is 6 times 8 the same as 8 times 6?
No.
Yeah. Got it? Got an idea? Or we can have a friend help you out if you want. Okay, let's have some friends help out Pang Pan. What's 6 times 8? We need a little help. That's okay.
3 times.
He still knows just what to do. Our friends are going to help us out. 6 times 8.
49.
Close. 48. 48. I know what you're thinking. Good. 6 times 8 is 48.
49. You got 49.
49. Good thinking. 49. And it's okay to put our 49 down here because do we have anything else to multiply?
49.
49. 49. Okay, let's do a couple more. Okay, Lockout, come on up. Okay, 75 times 5. Where do we start? In our ones. Did you get your stickers? Did you get your sticker?
No.
You can get a sticker if you want. Very nice. 5 times 5 is 25. We know we can't just write 25 because we have more to multiply. So what do we do next? Close. What's 7 times 5 or 5 times 7?
35.
35. What about this?
35.
Plus 2.
36. 37.
37. Good job. Do we have anything else to multiply here? No. So we can write our 37 right down there. Very nice. Very good.
375.
Yeah, our whole answer is 375. Great job. You can grab a sticker.
Time for teacher.
Okay, Prow, you can come on up. Okay, you'll be next, Pot. 47 times 3. 47 times 3. I bet she's going to start in the ones place. We need to think about 3 times 7. What that answer is. 3 times 7. We've got our 1 in our ones place. That's great. You remember what our tens place is? 3 times 7, 7 times 3. Does anybody know? Let's help her out. What do you think?
21.
21. Very nice. Ooh, and it's so high. Sorry, friend. Okay, so we've got our 1 here, 2 up top that we're going to add. Next, we need to look at 3 times 4. What's 3 times 4? Help out our friend.
12.
12. Okay, 3 times 4 is 12. Don't forget this too. It's 14. And we don't have anything else to multiply, so we can just write our 14. What's our whole answer?
141.
Very nice. Grab a sticker. Okay, who wants to go next? Start in our ones place. He's thinking about 6 times 5. 6 times 5. What's 6 times 5? Kind of like yours. Okay, friends, help out our friend Pot. What's 6 times 5? 30. Can we just write 30 on the bottom?
No.
No. Show us what we need to do. Our 3 down there?
Zero.
No, we need our 1's place. We need our 0. Big 0. And where does our 3 go? Very nice. 3 up top with a 5. You got it. Right up there is cool. 3. And we're going to add 3. So we're getting a little plus 3. Okay, what do we do next? Are we finished?
No.
Nope.
5 times 5. Easy.
5 times 5.
She said 5 times 5. Baby.
Yeah, you had 5. You had 5 times 5 too. What's 5 times 5? 5. What about this? We need an 8.
500.
Good. 5 times 5. 25 plus 3. We're missing a number right here. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 3 is 28. We're missing a number right there. Yeah, there it is, a 2. So what's our whole answer? You don't have to erase. That's cool. What's our whole answer?
280.
280. Great job, friend. You can grab a sticker. Next, we're going to do a worksheet. So students are going to work on their own, practicing, multiplying, just like we did on the board, just like we did on our PowerPoint. And we're not going to finish this worksheet today. That's okay. We're going to finish in our next lesson. So work on the problems by yourself, or you can put students in pairs, and you can go around and help everybody out. So work on the worksheet for the rest of the class, and we'll finish it in our next lesson. No? Can anybody help out Pac Boom? Let's help out our friend. 4 times 7.
28.
28. Okay, show us what to do with that. There we go. We got our 8 down at the bottom, our plus 2 on the top. Next, we're looking for our tens place. 4 times 8. Or 8 times 4. 8 times 4. Close. 32. That's cool. 32. 32. Oh, don't forget about something up top here. You got it. And we can just write our 34 here because we don't have anything else to multiply. Very nice job. You can get a sticker if you want and then go to work on your worksheet.
7. Okay, times
7 times 6. Close. 7 times 6. Not 24. 42.
72.
7 times 6. 42. 42. So can you write 42 on the bottom?
No.
Nope.
4 and 8.
Yeah, good job. Okay, bud. Good job. If you're using your times tables, that's cool. It's important you know what to do. Good job. All right, you're doing great. Keep going, friends.
8 more 2 7. 42 plus 8.
What's 42 plus 8?
Equals 50.
Yeah.
This is 0 and this and 8 times 1 equals 8.
But why are we doing 48 plus 8?
One.
1 times 7?
Yeah.
What's What's 1 times 7?
Equals 7.
7. And then your number up top. So easy. You got it, friend. 7 times 6.
7 times 6 equals
48. 42. 42.
8 times 6.
8 times 6. Okay, friend, try to think of these without looking on your math, without looking on your thing. 8 times 6?
46.
Okay, put this in your desk, my friend. You're smart. You can do that without your math problems.
46. 46.
For 8 times 6? A little bit high. 6 times 8. 48. 8 times 6? Not so high.
48.
48. You got it. Your own paper. 28. Yep. Very nice. Good job. You got it. How are you doing over here? 6 times 8. That's a tricky one.
6 times is so easy.
Yeah, we can do that on our fingers. We can do that on our fingers. What's 2 times 7?
2 times 7 equals 7.
1 times 7 equals 7. What's 2 times 7?
6 equals
What's 2 times 7, buddy? 41?
equals 7.
No. 2 times 7. Think about 2 times 7.
8 times 7.
8 times 7. Try to think about it. If you don't know, if you think about it for 10 seconds and you can't figure it out, you can look on your book. 56. My friend, think about 2 times 7. 2 times 7.
95.
Yep, you got it. Thanks for joining us today for our math lesson. We'll see you for our next lesson where we finish our worksheet and do a bit more practice. So can everybody say goodbye?
Goodbye.